DMK Minister Anita Radhakrishnan once again quotes controversy, this time using a very extremely derogatory term, BJP's reaction.
The filthy derogatory words from Anita Radhakrishnan is not, surprising or shocking. What is surprising and shocking is the silence of the Chief Minister and also the silent presence of Ms. Kanimozhi, Member of Parliament, and also the sister of Chief Minister. If at all some shame or dignity left with the DMK and the Chief Minister, the Chief Minister should immediately sack this person, Anita Radhakrishnan, who is regularly abusing in derogatory words. And he should sack him and order for an arrest immediately. He should be put behind bars. The rowdies cannot become ministers here. And the way they arrogantly, Anita Radhakrishnan and other ministers, including Anbar, they all have spoken and they all have behaved, is to be condemned vehemently. We demand the sacking of the minister, Mr. Anita Radhakrishnan, for abusing the Prime Minister and his mother, and also the womanhood. The word he has used is definitely, we cannot even speak that. If we translate it to English, that is the worst word in the language, in English. And that's it. So, we demand the police to immediately arrest this Anita Radhakrishnan, put him behind bars. We demand the Election Commission of India to take action against this person as well as Kanimozhi, who was also silently watching this public meeting, this speech in a public place silently.
Well, the DMK also claims that apart from this, that the Prime Minister cannot speak about the legacy of Kamarajar in Salem because Anita Radhakrishnan, even though he used a extremely derogatory word, he's also trying to say that they were against Kamarajar.
No, see, these people don't know anything about history, they don't know anything about Kamarajar. Kamarajar was never in Congress till his death. After he left Congress, or after he threw away Indira Gandhi from Congress, he was the original Congress, that is Stabana Congress, the organizational Congress. So, we have the organizational Congress was with the Jansangh. So, we have all the right to talk about Kamaraj, whereas the DMK don't have any right to talk about Mr. Kamaraj because they were the one, particularly Mr. Karunanidhi, who was abused Kamarajar like anything in a derogatory manner. That still continues. So, the DMK, Congress don't have any right on Kamarajar except Bharatiya Jansangh, with whom Mr. Kamarajar had an alliance. We should know that. These are all history. And these people who are doing rowdyism, they don't know what is who is Kamarajar and what is politics.